Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 7 mathematics periodic assessment at page number 92. Periodic assessment first. In this assessment already I have taught you from question 1st to 8, and today I will begin with the new question MCQ part from question number 9. Question number 9 is here written 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5 of 1 by 5 overall divided by 1 by 5 of 1 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 5. This is the question, and the options given here are option A 1, option B 5, option C 1 upon 5, and option D 25. So what will be the correct option for this question? This question is given on your textbook on page number 92. If you have any problem, then you can see from your book. So let us solve this question and try to find out what will be the correct option for the given question. So 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5 of means multiplication. So of is replaced by the symbol multiplication upon 1 by 5, and of means within bracket this. This is the main concentration for while solving this question. So within bracket, if you put multiplication sign here, then write the expression within this bracket. So 1 upon 5 of means here again multiply 1 by 5, and after putting multiply write this expression within bracket, otherwise you may incorrect this solution. So according to BORDMAS rule, first of all we have to solve here the bracket expression. So 1 by 5 divided by bracket means 1 upon 25. If we solve this problem, and again in denominator we will get 1 1 ja 1, 5 5 ja 25 divided by 1 by 5. Now after solving this, we will get 1 by 5. If you change the division sign with multiplication, we will get 25 upon 1, and again 25 divided with change by multiplication 5 upon 1, and after solving what we will get 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. In the numerator what we will get, we will get this 5 upon 1. In denominator we will get 1 upon 5, and if we solve step by step this problem, it means this is 1 upon 5. And after solving 5 upon 1, multiply division change with multiplication, so this will be written as this. And after solving 5 5 ja multiply, we will get 25, and 25 answer will be given in option D. So option D will be the correct answer for the given question, question number 9. And the solution of this question is here for you. So remember this where bracket is put while solving this question. Otherwise you may get the wrong answer. Okay, go to the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is 0.01 multiply with 0.1 minus 0.001 divided by 10 plus 0.01. Then find the final answer of this expression. So here if you have more than one sign or more than one operation, multiplication, subtraction, division and addition, in this case always use BODMAS rule. And according to BODMAS rule, first of all we have to solve here division, because in case of BODMAS rule, first of all bracket off means remove the bracket, then division, multiplication, addition and finally we have to separate the expression, then we will get the final answer. So in this case first of all we have to perform division operation first, and division operation 0.01 multiply 0.1. After division, if we multiply 0.001 divided by 10, we will get 0.0001 plus 0.01. And again, next time we have to perform multiplication operation, because after division, according to BODMAS rule, we have to perform here multiplication, and multiply 0.01 with 0.1, we will get 0.001 minus 0.0001 plus 0.01. And in this case we have to first here add these two terms according to BODMAS rule. So after addition, what we will get 0.011 minus 0.0001, and then we subtract this problem. Now do your rough work here. 0.011 0.0001, after subtraction apply 0 here, we will get 9010.0, means final answer will be 0.0109. This is the final expression for this question, 0.0109. And this options is given in option C in your textbook. So option C will be correct for the given question. Next question will be question number 11. 4 raised to the power 3 and its power 4 divide by 4 raised to the power 2 and its power 3 multiply by 4 raised to the power 5 and its power 0. What will be the final answer for this question? Now if power of power is given, then power always be multiplied. So 3 4 ja 12 here, divide by 2 3 ja 6, multiply power of power is 0, so 500. Next expression is 412 divided by 4 6, power of 0 means this is 1, and again 4 12. In case of division, power will be subtracted, so 4 raised to the power 6 is the final answer, and this option is given in option B in your textbook. So option B will be correct for this question. Next question is question 12. Tell that what number should be subtracted from 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 5 to get minus 1 upon 15. This is a problem solving question. In this case, solution, how can we find this? What number should be subtracted from this value? Means, let me suppose that the number, let be the number x will be subtracted from this expression. So how can we write this? Suppose that from this value, from this expression, we will subtract the number x, and finally we get the value minus 1 upon 15. This is the mathematical expression for this word problem. The number which will be subtracted from this value, let us suppose that the number will be x, and if we subtract x from the given expression, what value we will get? We will get minus 1 upon 15. Now our problem becomes easy after getting this equation. So first of all, solve this bracket according to BODMAS rule, and we take the LCM of 3, 7 and 5, 105 LCM. So after multiply, this is get 15, 105 is divided by 3, the quotient is 35, and 35 multiply 1, we will get 35. 7 divided 105, we will get 15 minus 7, this is plus, minus x is equal to minus 1 upon 15. After solving, 50 multiplies 7, sorry, this is not correct, this is, if we divide 105, we will get 21 here, 21 divided by 105 minus x is equal to minus 1 upon 15. And again we will get 29 upon 105 minus x is equal to minus 1 upon 15. Now solve this. Transfer this variable another side. So this will go on right side, this will come here. So 29 upon 05, this is minus sign with plus 1 by 15 is equal to this minus here x. This is the correct expression for final answer. Now here we will take the LCM of 105 and 15. The LCM for this expression in 105, and this is 29 minus 29 minus, this is plus not minus, is equal to x. After adding this, 36 upon 105 is equal to x. Now we can cancel this term by 3. 3 12 are 36 and 3 3 are 9 and 3 5 are 15. So x value is 12 upon 35 and this will be given in option B in your textbook. So 12 upon 35 is the value which is subtracted from the given expression 1 by 3 plus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 5. We will get the answer minus 1 by 15. Next question is question number 13, which is find the reciprocal of 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5 and what will the value. So first of all find this value, then finally what answer we will get, then take the reciprocal of the final answer, then we can get the option. So let us try this question. Solution: 3 upon 4 minus 4 upon 5. In this case we will take LCM 20. 4 5 are 20 and 5 are 15 minus 4 5 are 16. This will get minus 1 upon 20. And but in question find the reciprocal of this. So the reciprocal of minus 1 by 20 is minus 20 upon 1, and which is the minus 20 is the final answer, and this answer will be given in option B in your textbook, option B. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Some long answers type question also given for you, long answer type questions. So let us take question number 14. Simplify minus 6 minus 3 plus 12 divided by 6 minus 7 minus 4 plus 20 divided by 4. Curly bracket, then big bracket. First of all, in this type of problem, if we have many operations like division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, and also along with bracket, all of you know that here we have used three types of bracket: small bracket, curly bracket, or we can say also middle bracket, and this is big bracket. First of all, solve the small bracket, then goes to the other bracket along with following BODMAS rule, otherwise we will get the wrong answer for this question or any other question related to this type of problem. So let us start. First of all, solve from here, because this is the small bracket. So minus 6 minus of big bracket, minus 3 plus 12 divided by 6 minus curly bracket 7 minus of minus 4 minus 16, we will get 16 divided by 4 curly bracket, then big bracket. Next time minus 6 minus 3 plus 12 divided by 6 minus, this time division is performed. So 7 minus 4 4 ja 4, this is curly bracket, then again this minus 6 minus of minus 7 plus 12 divided by 6, this is minus curly bracket 3, this minus 6 minus 3 plus 12 divided by This is 6 minus 3. Now again 6 minus 6 minus 3. Here is division first. 6 2 is 6 plus minus 3. Then this value according to BODMAS rule, minus 6 plus 2 here, then minus 6 minus 4, and this minus 6 plus 4, and the final answer will be minus 2 for this question. So if we solve any problem which is included many operation with many brackets, always follow BODMAS rule, otherwise you will maybe reach to the wrong answer. So minus 2 will be the correct answer for this question. And you can also try this type of problem. Try yourself. Okay. The next question is question number 15. This is also a long answer type question. So let us try to solve this problem and how can you get the correct value for this question. Question number 15. If x is equal to 1 upon 6 minus 7 upon 3 of means multiplication, 2 upon minus 7 divided by 4 upon 9, then find the value of x to the power 3 minus 1. This value we have to find in this question. So first of all, start with value of x and evaluate the value of x from this expression. So x is equal to 1 by 6 minus 7 upon 3 of means multiplication, 2 upon minus 7 divided by 4 upon 9. And first of all, 1 upon 6 according to BODMAS rule, 7 upon 3 multiply 2 upon minus 7. This is addition, division sign is changed with multiplication, and it is 9 upon 4. Now cancel this problem. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 7 cancel with 7, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja this value. And 1 by 6 minus and minus will get 3 plus 3 by 2, LCM is 6 1 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. So 10 upon 6 is the value of x in this question, and the final value you can write it, x value is 5 upon 3 here. But this is the not final answer for this question, because question asked that we have to find here the value of x cube minus 1. So put the value of x here, 5 upon 3 to the power 3 minus 1, and we will get 125 upon 27 minus 1, and after we will solving we will get 125 minus 27 upon 27. Now after solving we will get 98 upon 27. Final answer will be 3 combination 17 upon 27. This will be the final answer for the expression x cube minus 1. So this will be the final answer for this question, and this will be correct. You can also try this question by yourself. Next question is question number 16, and this is the last question for this chapter. If 27 raised to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to 243 raised to the power 3. Then find the value of 5 raised to the power 2x minus 4, this expression. First of all, find the value from the given here expression. So write this solution. 27 raised to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to 243 raised to the power 3. 243, factorize this as the base is 3 here. 81, 3, 27, 3 9 are 27, and 3 3 are 13, and 3 1 are 3. 1 2 3 4 5. We can write 3 raised to the power 5 and its power already here given 3. So we can write 3 raised to the power 15. Here 3 raised to the power 3 and its power already given here 2x minus 1. So we can write 3 raised to the power 3, 2 is 6x and minus 3. If base is equal, then this implies that power must be equal. So we can write 6x minus 3 is equal to 15. So after solving, what we will get the expression or the value of x will be 15 plus 3 will get 18, 6x, and divide by this 18 divided by 6 we will get the value of x is 3. Now put this value of x in this value, this expression. Now 5 raised to the power 2x minus 4. The value of x is what? 3. So 5 we can write 2 raised to the power x, in place of x we can write 3. So this will become 2 3 is 6 minus 4, and we'll get 5 raised to the power 2, and the final answer will be 25. So the value for this expression is 25, and this is the correct. Now your homework is try all these questions from question 9 to question 16 in your homework notebook, and if you have any problem then you can watch my video again. Okay, thank you.